Good morning. Say hello to Mr. Gus, one of Uncle Grandpa's best buddies. This guy is known to be a very powerful dinosaur man that's sworn to protect Uncle Grandpa from danger. Well, I got good news for you. He's one of my favorites. He even made his own custom crystal gem photo of himself. And did I forget to mention he's strong? Kind of reminds me of Godzilla. A friendly form of Godzilla. He may be strong, but he's really smart. There we are. There we are. There's Mr. Gus's feet. I meant his hand. Shake it, man. There we are. There we are. That is how you draw Mr. Gus. Wow, that was easy. He's one of my favorites. Hey, remember that time he wore jorts? Let me put those on him. And done. There he is. That's how you draw Mr. Gus in his shorts. He looks awesome in those. Anyway, Uncle Grandpa, hope you enjoy I hope you enjoyed this special, because this episode's dedicated to him. Stegosaurus, see you later.